Hi, Suzanne Chan of Mom Confessionals, and today I have a really awesome stroller system that I'm going to be showing you today. It is the Safety1st Step and Go stroller system, and I am absolutely blown away by this stroller system. So let's start off with the unboxing. So now that everything's been unboxed, the only thing I did was I took off all the plastic and all of the styrofoam off of all of the pieces. But as you can see, not very many pieces. We've got wheels, some accessories for the wheels, the car seat base, and the actual car seat and the stroller itself. So let's do a really quick installation. First thing we're going to do is install the rear wheels. Okay, so we're just going to fold it down. We've got the rear wheels here. And according to the instructions, we are slipping this through all the way to the other side. Pushing that through. Perfect. We've got some washers and pins here. Okay, so just make sure not to lose any of those pieces. So this would be the back wheels. And just pop those through. Perfect for the brake. Pop this to the back. Perfect. And then we're just going to take a washer and a pin. You have to put one washer through, then put the wheel on, and then we're going to put the pin. Oops, sorry, and then put another washer. Cannot forget the two washers. Perfect. And you're just going to shove this little pin in, lock it in place, and it's done. Going to do the same on the other side. One washer in, a pin, put the wheel in, put the other washer in. I'm just going to make sure it's a nice tight fit, and then slip in the pin. Oops, slippery little thing, isn't it? Of course, slipping in this last pin is the most difficult part of it. And there we go. And that's installed. There we go. And then they've got these little wheel cap covers, so that's what you're just going to snap right in. Perfect. Snap that in on the other side as well. And then you've got the front wheels. Snaps right in very nicely. You're going to sit up the stroller and release. You're going to snap in the parent tray. just like that. And there you have it. Simple installation of the Safety1st Snap and Go stroller.